Interesting.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
From a cafe in London. We have drinks. See, I feel like it's just great because I can hide my whole face and I'm like, can I just do the whole video like this?
Sure.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's a mess. I also forgot to think about what things. Okay, basically, we decided we would talk about what things we find scary, but then I forgot to actually properly think about it, which means that I don't really know what's going to happen.
Yeah, I didn't even know we decided on that, but that's cool.
Yeah. I mean,
scary things.
We are both scared of global warming because that is a very real thing that is going to happen to the world, whilst most of us are still alive. So, and it's scary. Hopefully, I didn't expect that from Graham. Hopefully we will reduce, I mean to be fair, global warming will continue to happen.
Yeah.
We will just reduce the rate of growth.
It's very unlikely that we do much against it.
True.
So I would like to not die before, because that would mean I would die very soon.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go with that. So
yeah, but it's still scary.
Very scary.
Yeah.
That would be the best. You're just things you're scared of. I think I also scared that. I mean, this isn't necessarily scary, but it scarred me for life to start with. I feel like when you say scarred for life, that feels like a very big phrase, but I am always scared of my porridge exploding in the microwave because it's alright if you're by yourself, but it's just hecka less to clean up when you want to have your breakfast. And it usually means you have less porridge left because a lot of it has just...
I think I'm scared, on an everyday basis, I'm scared of missing trains and
oh god, yeah.
Not necessarily being late, but being too late. So you miss a train or kind of not make something in time, and then there's no way to do it at all.
I think it's got to the point where I add so much time onto every single intersection of my journey just to make sure that I reach the possibility.
I usually do that too, but sometimes it's just not possible. I had to start packing yesterday. And that was so fucking stressful because I usually start packing the weekend before I leave. Just so I have time, in case I notice I'm still missing anything, I can still buy it or whatever. But yeah,
that makes sense.
I'm a ball of stress.
No.
Still.
Well, we have hot drinks, which will hopefully reduce stress. I also am sometimes scared of burning my tongue on hot drinks, which I feel like is a very normal thing.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's just because you kind of, there's no way of not doing it. Unless, you see what I mean? If you want to drink it almost immediately, but you're not sure of what temperature it is, there's not a lot of way of doing it. Unless you have a spoon or something.
Burn your lips first. So you don't burn your tongue.
I don't know if that's better really.
I don't know.
Oh, that's true.
I think it's actually worse because I think your tongue heals fairly quickly.
No, you want, so maybe that's the worst idea.
So
do not burn your tongue, your lips first.
I don't know. I mean, I have definitely burnt my tongue several times. So.
I technically burnt mine on that quesadilla, but it's actually fine now, so I'm maybe I did not actually.
I mean, I guess it depends on the level of burn.
True.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I've burnt my tongue and then I
go ahead, sit down.
I know but it's Halloween, so I'm headless.
Oh, we should have just done the whole video headless. Why did we not think of this? We're already at 4.5 minutes to that.
We should ask for some ketchup so I can smear it here.
Oh, yeah, we can let's just do the rest of the video like this.
Use your tomato sauce.
Even you can do that, Corona. I'm just going to sit here and just have it. No, what we should have done is we should have just had our mouths or Yeah, just. Multiple tins, if possible. I don't know what this was. I feel like this was. Oh, we don't even know who's tomorrow. I feel like a fail and a
I know
fact.
there is no schedule yet, but we will see someone tomorrow, maybe.
Someone
Or,
who hopefully, please, whoever's tomorrow, I hope can make more sense than we did. We I don't really know what's going on. Goodbye. Where,